Hey guys, Brian Davis with Davis Paint Collision. I'm going to talk today about this small parking lot fender bender. The customer brought the vehicle in to us, thought it'd be something very simple. Good thing he chose a GM certified repair facility. After going through the process and doing the pre-scan, we found that 22 modules were in this vehicle and 3 of them had failed. The anti-locking braking system on this does have a fault code, so we're going to have to go a little bit deeper into this repair to make sure that this customer doesn't have a braking issue in the future. We're going to take a closer look of the brakes, diagnose it, let the customer know, and continue on with the bumper repair. After we get the bumper off and do the repairs, we'll definitely do a post-scan to make sure the braking system is correct. If we would not have scanned this vehicle, being a certified GM repair facility, this vehicle would have left with having a brake issue. Don't let that happen to you. Pick a certified repair facility. Give us a call, 733-9797.